Welcome to this tutorial on using the multi-channel field in Amira-Avizo software. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the multi-channel field to combine and manage grayscale images within a single dataset. In this dataset, acquired using fluorescence microscopy technology, nuclei and membranes were detected using separate image channels. The multi-channel field will be used to link them together. Right-click in the project view and select Create Object. Search and select for multi-channel field. In the properties of the multi-channel field, use the channel 1 to attach the first grayscale dataset. Then use the channel 2 to attach the second grayscale dataset. A new channel will be created automatically and so on. In this way, an arbitrary number of channels can be connected. Link the orthoslice module to the multi-channel field to visualize the different structures with different colors. In the properties of the multi-channel field, you can adjust the color map range for channel 1 and for channel 2. You can also change the color. You can attach a volume rendering to visualize the structure in 3D. Thanks for following this tutorial.